National High School CTP Unit, headed by the Troop Commander Arvin Lester Caganda, Denmark Satur S1, Vanessa Cirillo S2, Jay Caganda S3, Marica Valtera S4, Major Leader Jane Banao, DLC Leader Alar de Guzman, CTP Company Commander John Belleza, CTP Company EXO Jemwell Dakara, First Battalion from Catalutuan National High School. DLC Leader Christian Celso, Principal Ruby Aquino, Major Coordinator Don Jindy De La Pina and Maria Monica Marcelina, DLC Coordinator Cherry Maria Pahoyo and Florian May Fulano, DLC Trainer Joey Bermejo Sevilla, Major Trainer Vladimir Nicolan Birluan II. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 2 from Balaton National High School sa Burgos Street, Goa, Camarines Sur, St. Paul Academy of Goa Incorporated, headed by the Troop Commander Jerome Arevalo. LS Pamela Pilapel S1, Gerlica Zupaya S2, Car Benedict Amesis S3, Dana Crescia Carissa Carpio S4, Major Leader Joe Kirstine Galan, DLC Leader J. Raver Chavez, Company Commander Ruben Lagidao III, Company EXO Adrian Amir Almasar, First Battalion Report Joshua Del Castillo, Second Battalion Reserve Mariela Pauline Luca, Principal Sister Eleanor Amanti, SPC CTP Facilitator Mr. John Alfred Lee, Interim Coordinator Ms. Jane Guaso, DG Coordinator Mr. Robert More. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 3 from St. Paul Academy of Goa Incorporated, Goa, Camarines Sur. First Battalion of Boys, Genesis, Dr. Edgar Clarillo, CTP Mapping Facilitator, Joel Gaser and Maricor Abad, Major Coordinator, Lani Ikamin, DLC Coordinator, Lani Ikamin. Ladies and gentlemen, our entry number 4 from Salagon High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur. High School CTP Unit, headed by the Troop Commander J. Lawrence Alcoba, Rodi Plazo S1, L. Mike Salinel S2, Jeffrey Perico S3, Glenn Calio S4, Major Leader Rochelle Guainet Goyena, DLC Leader Ian Jagger Lord Enrico, Company Commander John Michael Clarinho, Company EXO Errol Calicoy, First Battalion Boys Nerdil Ali Del Castillo, Second Battalion Girls Angelita Baduria, Principal Hilda Carullo, Mapping CTP Facilitator Maglo Molina, Major Coordinator Admiral Joy Esminda. DLC Coordinator, Marlon Paroncio. Grace Belisa, Assistant DLC Trainer. Osi Asor, Assistant CTP DRM Facilitator. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 5 from Huyun-Huyun, Tigawon, Camarines Sur. Huyun-Huyun High School CTP Unit, Tigawon, Camarines Sur. Two. Junimar Valencia S3. Kyle Cresto Pacolico S4. Major Leader Micah Franz Pisimo. DLC Leader Rian Eli Palermo. Company Commander Hans Raven Romero. Company EXO Ana Opil Clinoro. First Battalion Boys Raul Fernandez Jr. Second Battalion Girls Maria Charina Manuelos. Principal Crispin Adayo Jr. Doctor of Education. CTP Facilitator Elmer Villesa. Major Coordinator Ivan Rodriguez. And Francis Quadri. Team Coordinator Hans Angelo Bluto. Lucas and Jerome Coordinator. James Santigado Assistant CTP Facilitator. Ronnie Apale Assistant CTP Facilitator. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 6 from Taytay Goa, Camarines Sur, Goa National High School. Company Commander Earl Alexander Galang. Company EXO John Claude Geraldino. First Battalion Boys Mike James Pases. Second Battalion Girls Ginalyn Baer. Principal Angostia Ora. CTP Facilitator Salvador Arcillo III. Major Coordinator Jennifer Vilaro. DLC Coordinator Yen Rivero. Alan Acerdan Assistant CTP Facilitator. Ladies and gentlemen, our entry number 7 from Dahat National Vocational High School, Lagonoy, Camarines Sur. EXO, Mark Ivan Clarete. First Battalion Boys, Rafael Amoncio. Second Battalion Girls, Ria Amoncio. Principal, Filomena Vergara. CTP Facilitator, Renario De Castro. Major Coordinator, Marvic Mendoza. DLC Coordinator, Renario De Castro. Ronel Encinas, Assistant DLC Coordinator. Jonah Cuadro, Assistant Major Coordinator. Ladies and gentlemen, entry from NATO Sangay, Camarines Sur, NATO National High School, CTP Unit. Michael Dominguez, S1. Giancarlo Cornelio, S2. Giancarlo Kongkong, S3. Roselier Beloy, S4. Major Leader, Laika Obeas, DLC Leader, Justin Boniel. Company Commander, Ronald Flojo. Company EXO, Chiboy Abondo. First Battalion Leader Boys, Jonar Paden. Second Battalion Girls, Kristen May Pinsika. Principal, Arieta Elante. CTP Facilitator, Janeta Paquita. Major Coordinator, Elisa Mudo. DLC Coordinator, Vladimiro Avante Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, our entry number 1 for category 2, Panagan National High School, Alipo sa Banuan Kang Lagunoy, Camarines Sur.
Salang kaso itong napalik mo. Step counts kaya.
Dan Ray Dakaya. First Baton Leader Boys, Jordan Bulima. Second Baton Leader Girls, Eloisa Alpon. Principal, Honesto Sapin Jr. CTP or MAPI Facilitator, Ariel Netoliano. Major Coordinator, Dalia Seroma. DLC Coordinator, Lalaine Nabo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 2 from Moses D. Fernandez Senior Pioneer High School, Presentasyon, Camarines Sur.